Hi, my name is Dan Sedlacek, and I'm one of the co-leads of this year's Davis Consumer Product Workshop. This is a workshop that's taking place in a couple weeks, and registration is still open on the Buerk Center's website, so I hope you'll go and sign up there. I started my own consumer product company 7 years ago now through UW competitions and workshops just like this one, and that's why I'm so excited to come and introduce it to you today. And the thing I'm most excited about is the creativity boxes that we're bringing to this year's Consumer Product Workshop. They're still available if you sign up, and we'll send one out to you. And in entrepreneurship, one of the most difficult things is getting over that step of being on pen and paper and actually making stuff. And I get the joy of doing that every day in my company, Uphill Designs. And so we want to get those tools and those tactile making into your hands. It also is like at the core of what this workshop is about. It's about teaching you those tools and the problem solving techniques that you won't necessarily encounter exactly in the classroom setting. And this allows you to engage in creativity and like really intense team collaboration in a way that is also fun. And you'll get to go through things like a pitch competition, and just learning the ins and outs about how to do this thing for real. So you can go to the Buerk Center's website at startup.uw.edu and register there, and I hope to see you soon.